Alright, test, test, test. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, just type anything in chat. If you can hear me, type anything in chat. Hello? Alright, hold on, hold on. I will be starting very soon. Give us a second. Alright, hold on. I'll be setting up stuff real quick. Uh-oh. Sorry if you can hear some in the background. I don't really have that much of a... I don't really have that much of a... Yeah! Ain't no way I actually came here. But we're starting very soon. Don't worry about it. And we have to end the stream at 9 because I need... You'll know later. Alright? Alright, bye. Alright, hold on, alright? We'll be starting very soon. Let's get some milk first. Alright, sorry. Okay, so we'll be starting right now. Alright, so... Okay, sorry, but like I'm doing restream right now, so I'm streaming on both Twitch and YouTube. So Twitch says I can't show Twitch chat to YouTube, and showing YouTube chat on Twitch is kind of complicated. So you can say anything. That's the first thing. If you see the restream account texting in chat, that's actually me. Alright. Alright, let's do this. So today we'll be making an animation. Hold on. Let me just mute my chats first. Hold on. Give me a second. Sorry. So, can you hear me? Yes, I'm making animation. Sorry, can you hear me clearly? Yes, also out of code. Sorry, if you can hear me just fine, say something in chat. Like, anything. Okay then. I'll just turn on this. I'll just turn on Link to Windows for a second. Okay, sorry. Let me just get a... Let me just get something real quick. Sorry, hold on. Alright. I got the. Let me just get my. Alright, so let me just get today's animation. So we'll be making like, say, how about like this thing that explains like a math question. Yeah, that's very creative. So, uh, how long did stream elements take to notice that stream elements really took an embarrassing amount of time? Alright, we have this thing. If anyone knows what this is, DM me or something. Alright, let me just. I'm going to attach it. This should look familiar for one of our viewers right here. Um, also you also YouTube chat, you aren't supposed to reveal anything, you know. Also yes is that question. Also YouTube that person on YouTube chat, don't reveal anything. Just text me on WhatsApp. All right. So this is our question. We're going to be explaining. We are explaining this question. All right. So I hope you remember it because we. Sorry, YouTube chat is going crazy. You should check the YouTube chat though. I can't show it in Twitch. So it's this question. All right. Now, okay. I get that one of you from the Twitch chat is feeling sleepy right now. Do you want Subway Surfers content? I wish I wasn't joking when I said. I wish I was joking when I said that someone in Twitch chat is feeling sleepy, but like, do you want Subway Surfers content? I could try to edit, but like, hold on. Uh, should I though? Should I? Okay. Okay, stop. Wait. You went onto a YouTube chat, did you? Okay. Alright, so here you go. You won't see it again. I might slide on the Streamlabs, so hold on. Oh. Sorry, give me a second. Where is it? Um, okay, so I'm going to show this. I'm going to move this the question down here. Alright? Your question is down here. Alright? Actually, you know what? Sure, I just leave it somewhere so it doesn't. You still can see it, right? Right? Okay, so since we don't really have much time, we only have 20 minutes left. Let's try to cook something. Okay, so That's literally our first line. The first thing I'm going to do is okay. So I'm not used to having this much people. So let's make a scene, like sort of a video. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Sorry, don't say anything. Okay, so hear me out, hear me out. So basically, what we do in here, it'll basically make the animation, then then we'll split it out in media, videos, h1.py, q.in. Very simple. Um, alright. So first thing I'm going to do is declare the question. But before that, no, we're not adding a logo. Too sensitive. Um, question part 1 is basically like the Alright, so here's the interesting part, right? So basically, what we can do, you know how like since this question has like this kind of formatting, say hello to Microsoft Edge by the way. Can use latex math formatting. Yay. Sounds very complicated. I'm not excited for that. Let me just okay, so basically, what was the question again? What was the question? That was the question. 1080 equals I'll hit it back to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 5. Okay, times 3. Oh my god. 3 to the power of 5. 1188 equals to the power of 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 3 times 11. 1815 is 3 times 5 times 11 squared. There it goes. Now I have this that I completely typed it out myself. Where you are going to paste in here. Raw. Okay, so this. So what we could do, right? If we check this, I have a feeling, so I'm gonna scale it to 0.4. QP3 equals, and there you go. So now what we could do is first we position the part 1 above the part 2, and then we position the top part below. And just like that, we already have the question. But I still need to display it. So we could run self.play and then create QP1, create QP2, create QP3. There you go. So far, and then we 1 second, so it, it's 6. So this doesn't look like much, right? Let's see. Let's see what happens when you run it. This is fine. Oh, nice. It's here. Sorry. That's actually quite ridiculous. I have to slow it down by a little bit. Alright. I'll just get that down too. And then we just rebuild it. Alright, is anyone in chat now? Because I don't see chat going crazy. Because chat's normally supposed to go crazy, just saying. Oh, nice. It's back. Except the middle one's really small, so we can change it to 0.7. That's the thing, alright? The problem with this is that we can't actually see our animation until we actually, build the actual animations. So it's basically just a game of trial and error. There you go. That's our question. And so I didn't see. So what we can do is wait for the question to appear. After that, we can finally get to solving the question. Yay! So first, you need to know how to actually solve it first. Alright? So I hope you do know how to solve it, because if you don't, we are pretty much cooked. Alright, does anyone in chat know how to solve this? I already know how to solve it, just saying. Just wanted to ask chat. Is chat really good at math? Hello? Hello? Anyone there? I know there are two people watching. You know what? If some kind that doesn't really want in chat, that or my chat isn't working properly. Hold on, let me try reloading. Again, and there's literally nothing in there. Alright, give me a second. Oh, okay. Sorry. So, can you see my chat? Okay. This guy in YouTube, the person in YouTube chat, listen to that. Alright, so sorry about the delay. So, is anyone in chat actually good at math and can solve this question? I'll hang in here for a while. If you can solve this question, I would honestly be kind of surprised. One. Wait, actually, yeah, it's moved better. Okay, so, so basically, right? First, let's deal with the listing part. Uh-oh. So all you do for this question, you just find the lowest common multiple of this question. So, so times 3 times 3 times 5. Basically, that's just a longer way of saying. That's just a longer way of saying 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 3 times 5 times 5. Shoot. Times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 11. 3 times 5 times 11 times 11. Okay, so now I can put these factor number thingies above the actual questions. And then repeat for the factors of 1815. If anyone thought this would be interesting, it's not. Just saying. Okay, we are close to running out of time, so let's just finish this off with nice. Let's see. Hopefully it isn't completely messed up, because if it is, we're cooked. And let's just hope it doesn't just fly off to eternity or something. Wow, it did just fly off to eternity. That's crazy. Let's change all the 5s in this line to 3 and see what happens. 3, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6. Oh. Yep, I definitely saw that. Now, release these factors, but then we need to move them like to the left. For the first one, just leave it there. For the second one, okay, you know what? Let's change my methods a little bit. Cut this, paste this, paste this, copy this, paste this, copy this, paste this. Let's generate it again and see how it looks like. Also, is anyone in Twitch chat? No idea. I don't think so. Can't tell though. And let's just skip forward. By the way, any quick note to this, alright? Anything to the power of 0. Okay, so you know what anything to the power of 0 is? Like, seriously anything? because it's really important. Mm, skip forward. Ah, nice. That was actually good. That was actually good. That was actually good. See? So basically, you can split this evenly, right? So, alright, hold on. Give me a second. Well, by the looks of it, I think we might run out of time. So, bye, and I will see you next stream, I guess. Sure, why not? So basically, we're going to end the stream right here. Right here. Right now. Alright. Have a nice day. I hope you had a nice day from today's stream. And I will see you hold on, let's get messed up. Next time. Alright. Next time as in maybe tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow. But like sure, if you wanna chill in chat for a while, why not? And if you wanna talk with me for a while, also sure, why not? I guess I'll chat with you from here. But we're doing absolutely nothing. Let's just talk with chat for a while and now I have to end the stream at about 9:07 PM GMT for say. And for one of you, I'll see you tomorrow. Alright. Alright, have a nice day, guys. Have a nice day. Have a nice night for people who are living in my area. Have a nice night for other people. Have a nice day. And I'll see you next stream, alright? Okay, bye. Have a nice day. I said that an awful amount of time.